Reading Nest project was started in 2004 with the goal to give teachers new knowledge and skills on how to customize the reading environment in kindergarten and elementary school and how to make books and reading activities interesting for children. Later, the Reading Nest idea also expanded to libraries, homes, and elsewhere. Thousands of teachers have been trained during the project and hundreds of reading nests have been created. Additionally, a Reading Nest handbook was made, which connects theory and practice. In 2021, Latvian and Finnish reading associations and their partners joined the project. The Reading Nest project web page is a source of inspiration in 3 languages. International conferences have provided an opportunity for professional idea generation and exchange of specialists from around the world. We invite you to the 6th Baltic Sea Conference on Literacy. Literacy Environment, Environmental Literacy. October 4th to 7th, 2025, Tallinn, Estonia.